Today's video is on the top 3 best garden seedling trays. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. MIXC Seed Starting Trays. Starting a garden can be a rewarding experience, but it all begins with the right tools to help your seeds grow strong and healthy. If you're looking for a way to take control of your seedlings from the very start, the MIXC Seed Starter Kit could be exactly what you need. This kit includes everything you need to create the perfect environment for your seeds to thrive. One of the standout features of these seed trays is the adjustable vents. This simple yet effective design lets you regulate the temperature and humidity inside the tray. By adjusting the vents, you can ensure your seedlings have just the right amount of moisture and warmth, giving them the best chance to sprout and grow. It's like having your own little greenhouse, but you're in control of the conditions. Speaking of conditions, the drainage holes at the bottom of each tray are another key feature. Proper drainage is essential for healthy seedlings, as it helps prevent excess water from pooling at the bottom, which could lead to root rot. With these drainage holes, excess water is efficiently drained away, keeping your seedlings' roots healthy and well oxygenated. For those who want to make sure their seedlings have the best possible start, this seed starter kit includes a mini greenhouse setup. The kit comes with 10 trays and a humidity dome, which work together to trap heat and moisture, simulating the conditions of a greenhouse. This is ideal for giving your seeds a stable environment where they can grow strong and healthy before being transferred to your garden. The reusable and portable design of the seed trays also makes them a great investment. Made from durable plastic, these trays are built to last and can be used for multiple growing seasons. Whether you're starting seeds indoors or setting them up outside, the lightweight trays are easy to transport. You can move them around as needed, making it simple to find the best spot for your seedlings to thrive. This complete seed starting kit has it all, with 10 trays, 10 watertight base trays, 10 humidity domes, and 10 plant labels. You'll have everything you need to start your seeds off right. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, this kit provides a comprehensive solution that takes the guesswork out of growing. So if you're ready to get your garden started the right way, the MIXC Seed Starter Kit offers a simple, effective, and easy-to-use solution. It's a perfect way to give your seeds the best possible start in life. Smash that subscribe button like you're pressing down on a tray of fresh seedlings. Number 2, best overall. Gardzen Seed Starter Tray Kits. Looking to give your seeds the best start possible? If you're ready to see your garden thrive like never before, the Gardzen Seed Starter Tray is the perfect solution. This isn't just your typical seed starter kit. It's been specially upgraded with a feature that every gardener will appreciate. 2 adjustable air vents have been added to the top of the tray, giving you the power to control the ventilation. This means you can stop worrying about stale, stagnant air hovering over your seedlings and start providing them with the fresh airflow they need. With just the right amount of ventilation, you're setting your seeds up for success from day one. Now, let's talk about quality. These seedling trays are made from high-quality plastic that's built to last. They're tough enough to handle season after season, so you won't need to keep replacing them. And here's a thoughtful touch you'll love. The kit comes with special stickers already attached. These help secure the dome to the base more tightly, which keeps the warmth and moisture locked in, exactly where your seeds need it most. It's a small detail, but it makes a big difference in efficiency. One of the standout features of this kit is the generous 40 cell capacity. That's right, 40 little pockets of potential, just waiting to sprout into something amazing. Whether you're growing herbs for your kitchen, flowers for your yard, or veggies for your table, you'll have more than enough space to get started. Beginners will find it super easy to use, and even seasoned gardeners will appreciate the convenience and layout. Managing your seedlings has never been simpler. The insert tray with 40 cells keeps everything neat and organized. Each cell has its own drain hole to stop water from building up and drowning your delicate roots. That means healthier plants and less stress for you. Plus, the clear plastic dome lets you keep an eye on how your seedlings are doing without having to open it up and disturb their little world. And here's the best part. It's not just for seeds. This versatile kit also works great for propagating cuttings or helping young plants along their early stages. If you've got a green thumb or you're just starting, this kit gives you the flexibility to grow in your own way. So, are you ready to turn your seed dreams into real, thriving plants? Because this seed starter tray is ready to help you do exactly that. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days, free. Link below. Number 1, our pick. Soligt Extra Thick Seed Starting Trays. Want stronger, healthier seedlings without the mess? Here's something that could change the way you start your garden. Meet the Soligt No Hole Seed Starting Trays. This 10-pack of trays is all about making your seed starting journey more organized, less messy, and way more efficient. Whether you're just dipping your toes into gardening or you're a seasoned green thumb, these trays can really help you grow your plants right from the start. Each pack comes with 10 reusable trays, which means you can dedicate one tray for each type of seed. That's a big deal because it makes labeling easier and stops your seeds from getting mixed up. Imagine having everything neat, labeled, and in place. No more guesswork or confusion. You can also treat all your seedlings the same way at the same time, whether you're watering them, moving them around, or getting them ready to transplant. That kind of uniform care really helps plants grow evenly and strongly. Now let's talk quality. These seed trays aren't flimsy, like the cheap ones that bend and crack. They're made of extra thick, heavy-duty material that's both lightweight and tough. That means they're easy to carry around, but they can also handle the weight of moist soil without bending or buckling. You'll be using these trays season after season, saving money in the long run. For gardeners who start seeds every year, that kind of durability is a real win. One standout feature, these trays don't have any drainage holes. That might sound odd at first, but it helps keep your growing area clean. No leaking water, no messy surfaces. Plus, they've got raised ridges on the bottom, so any excess water drains away from the soil, helping prevent overwatering. Even better, you can water from the bottom, which encourages deeper root growth and keeps the leaves dry, something your plants will thank you for. Measuring about 14 inches by 10.8 inches and 2.3 inches deep, the trays are a great size for most gardeners. They're easy to move around, even in tight spaces, and they help keep your setup neat. And they're not just for seed starting. These trays work great with other gardening tools like soil blockers, heat mats, and humidity domes. You can use them for growing microgreens, starting hydroponics, or even sprouting seeds indoors. Whether you're gardening on a balcony, in a greenhouse, or right in your kitchen, these trays adapt to whatever setup you got going. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.